Hello everyone, myself Anjani Devangan. Today I am going to discuss about Onsager reciprocal relation. First है introduction. In thermodynamics, the Onsager reciprocal relation expresses the equality of certain ratios between flow and forces in thermodynamic system. Reciprocal relations occur between different pairs of forces and flow in a variety of physical systems. थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में ओनसागर रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशन है वो थर्मोडायनेमिक सिस्टम में फ्लो एंड फोर्सेस के बिटवीन कुछ रेशियो की इक्वालिटी को एक्सप्रेस करता है. रेसिप्रोकल रिलेशंस डिफरेंट फोर्सेस एंड डिफरेंट पेयर्स के बिटवीन होती है एंड डिफरेंट वैरायटी की फिजिकल सिस्टम में फ्लो होती है. एग्जाम्पल, consider fluid system described in terms of temperature, matter, density and pressure. In this class of system, it is known that temperature difference leads to heat flow from the warmer to the colder parts of the system. Similarly, pressure difference will leads to matter flow from high pressure to low pressure region. It means temperature, matter, density and pressure की टर्म में डिस्क्राइब फ्लूइड सिस्टम पर कंसीडर करें. सिस्टम के इस केस में यह नोन है कि टेम्परेचर के डिफरेंट सिस्टम के कोल्डर पार्ट में गर्म पानी से फ्लो होता है. सिमिलरली प्रेशर डिफरेंस से हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर रेजिन में मीटर का फ्लो होता है. सो इट कैन ऑब्जर्वेड जब कांस्टेंट प्रेशर में टेम्परेचर अलग होता है, कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर पर विन हीट फ्लो इक्वल होता है. दिस इक्वालिटी was known by Lars Onsager using statistical mechanics as a consequence of microscopic reversibility. इस इक्वालिटी को माइक्रोस्कोपिक रिवर्सिबिलिटी के परिणाम के रूप में स्टैटिस्टिकल मैकेनिक्स का उपयोग करते हुए लार्स ओनसागर द्वारा दिखाया गया था. The principle of dynamic reversibility does not apply when external magnetic fields are present, in which case the reciprocal relation break down. Dynamic reversibility का प्रिंसिपल तब लागू नहीं होता जब एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रेजेंट होता है, in which case the reciprocal relation break down. Fluid system of Onsager, the basic thermodynamic potential is internal energy in a simple fluid system, neglecting the effect of viscosity. d mu is equal to TdS minus PdP plus mu dm, where U is the internal energy, T is temperature, S is entropy, rho is hydrostatic pressure, V is the volume, mu is the chemical potential and m is mass. In the terms of density, mu, entropy density S and mass density rho, the fundamental equation at fixed volume is written. d mu TdS is equal to TdS plus mu dP d rho. P U is equal to internal energy density, S is equal to entropy density, rho is equal to mass density. For non-fluid system or more complex system, there will be a different collection of variables describing the work term, but the principle is the same. ds is equal to 1 by t d mu plus minus mu by t d rho. The above expression of the first law in terms of entropy change defines the entropy. Conjugate variables of mu and p rho, which are 1 by t and minus mu by t and are intensive quantities analogous to potential energies. Their gradients are called thermodynamic forces as the cases flow of the corresponding extensive variables are expressed in the following equation. If conservation of mass is expressed by fact the mass density rho d rho by dp by dt plus v bar into j p bar is equal to 0. Jp बराबर mass flux vector. If we assume that the microscopic velocity at the fluid is negligible, then d mu by dt plus v bar j mu is equal to 0. J mu is equal to internal energy flux, mu is equal to internal energy density. The entropy is locally not conserved and its local evolution can be given ds by dt plus v bar js is equal to dsc by dt, where js is equal to entropy flux, d dsc is ds by dt is equal to rate of entropy density. In the absence of natural flow, J mu is equal to minus K V bar T, where K is equal to thermal conductivity. In the absence of heat flow, J V is equal to minus G V bar rho. D is equal to coefficient of fusion. The phenomenological equation may be J mu is equal to L u v bar 1 by t plus L u p v bar minus u by t. Jp is equal to L p u v bar 1 by t plus L p p v bar minus u by t. Jp alpha is equal to summation beta L alpha beta v bar f beta. Incorporating the equation, d s c by dt is equal to summation alpha summation beta L alpha beta v bar f alpha v bar f beta, where L alpha beta is equal to positive semi-definite. The Onsager relation that not only is alpha beta, L alpha beta, it is also symmetric except in case where time reversible symmetry is broken. In other words, the cross coefficient L mu p and L p u are equal. The fact that they are at least proportional follows from simple dimensional analysis. Example, both coefficients are measured in the same units of temperature times mass density. That means Onsager relation not only L अल्फा बीटा ही नहीं बल्कि यह भी सिमेट्रिक है जब टाइम रिवर्सल सिमेट्री ब्रोकन हो जाती है. अदर वर्ड्स में क्रॉस कोएफिशिएंट L mu p एंड L p u इक्वल है. फैक्ट यह है कि वे सिंपल डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस से लेट्स प्रोपोर्शनल है। थैंक यू।